Some battles are very hard for our life. Sometimes everything in our life going well, but sudden we feel hopeless. We feel bored, we don't want to do anything. Everything is started to feel that it is waste. Just we wanted to be alone. Sometimes thought started to come. Oh, it would be very good if I would be like a dove and that I can fly away.
Awshu in
simple word, if we say we wanted to be like a bird and we want to fly far from our situations and get a rest. Money can't buy peace. Going to the shopping cannot bring the peace and the joy in your life. Whatever activities we do which give pleasure to our this physical body cannot satisfy and give us peace.
Physically
but I want to tell you what can bring peace into your life. I know you are hurted. Today we need to take out the hurt. It can be someone's word. Whom you loved so much. And that have deceived you. That have spoke something to you. You stop praying. You stop going to the Lord. Feel everything is waste. If it is happening with you, you are not alone. I want to tell you the King David. He's blessed by the Lord. He has a lot of things in his home that he can get pleasure. Why? Because he is king. But this is the word of David in the book of Psalm 55 verse 6.
Psalms 55 verse 6
I said, oh, that I had the wings of a dove.
Psalms 55 Yang yang ngoh shihphang.
I would fly away and be at rest.
Yang tawa hataw yang yang awalan kia taw yang yang ngoh shihphang taw pu tai yang taw toloimei Chenmoho hahshepu sa taw kia David ia tai bu hataw nyan bu tuman nginang.
What was the reason? You can read in the verse 13.
Taw kaya hataw hangi pa reason mai ia hataw nyan bu hataw verse 13 mataw
He
kla.
says, but it is you, a man like myself, my companion, my close friend,
Yang bu nang kata neh yang companion neh yang hataw kaya naksi taw nang pai ngoh nang.
with whom I once enjoyed sweet fellowship of the house of the Lord.
Taw kaya awyun taw hataw kia yong Chenmei mong mai fai taw hataw kia fellowship ya hu bu kata.
It means a very closest person whom he can share everything.
Taw kaya awyun yong taw hangi iya kong kumbu share hu bu hataw friends
That kind of person.
hataw kata.
When you read ever verses, he is deceiving David.
Yang over hataw iya ba kong kumbu ma hataw ngi ka hataw ida lo bu hataw.
He is
ina.
betraying his faith.
Ida I sita hataw kia ku tam na tam bu hataw tuman ngin.
He is speaking against him.
Yang hataw iya yong mong humbu kata ida hataw kia yong meng I sita da ngau tam bu tuman ngin.
He said, if it is my enemy, I can bear it.
Yang we hataw iya iwa iya ewi pa jana meng bu meng ka mataw hataw kong kami taw hataw sana o hahshepu si.
But my loved one,
Ayang boy tawa yong kan bu ayang tawa yong iya si ang bu kata ada tisif na mayang gisi
when he betrayed, when he speaks something,
oh ba iya hataw kia yong mayang bu ngau iya ba ida yong hataw ki bu lohe lambu ida lo tambu ngiwante
it gives hurt.
hataw hipang matumada yong hurt na mayang tamnang
Suddenly we feel everything is ruthless.
hataw hipang matumana yong moksa Sati senjang atau monghambu senjang atau kan atau bu isi angbu atau kata lui ada lobu aci setai wanda tu mana cadang jauh yang sesati tu mana agenda atau kiu painang
But we need to keep faith like David.
yang buat tu mana David ayan jali atinglak bu atau anglag yang
Yeah, for a while it hurts.
atau ating nang atau hipak atem jengne atau tu mana yong hurt na miang nang
But lastly, conclude, Lord, I trust you.
yang buat akem na David ay hangki busi yang buat kawang taw nang dahay atinglak nang gi
I tr-
nang jahit atinglak nang gi si
I trust your plans.
taw nang jahay atinglak nang gi nang tuiso yang nang asay nang tuiso da taw ay atinglak pa isi yang
I trust what you are doing that is best for my life.
taw nang da atinglak nang hangi yan jing na leng atam yang gi hataw ajing na pes amay ba sa taw hataw da nang da atinglak po
Oh God, I'm ready to trust you.
oh kawang taw nang da atinglak lang jing na sa ji taw yan mongchang asay pana para gi siyang
Even though he itself is speak in the Psalm 54,
Ado, David mo iya Psalms 54 mo
verse
iwa.
22,
Verse 22 mo iwa.
cast your cares on the Lord,
Kaya nga nanga hataw kia oh kawang nang pataw mo.
and he will sustain you.
Kaya nga hataw manaksi iya nang dapaw tamlak hataw
Today,
iya.
I want that you may commit all your hurts and all your thoughts unto God's hand.
Taw kay taw naman da iyo ba nang ta yung mong meng lakpanan nang ayan da hataw kia yung hurt na miyang atambo hataw ngo na miyang gaman nang kawang sisaw da payang hataw David ayan ki nang ating lakpo kawang mabu opo taang.
Whether you are husband, wife too,
Whether hataw nang isikon niya tan na miyang yapoy
if you are in a hurt,
nang ijay jada mong miyang natamong
whether how much good life you might be living,
hangsanan nang imay ngo yapoy
how much good money you have,
hangsanan nang imawanghay ngo ya singhayngan ngo yapoy
but until our relationship with not goes well,
teman relationship yung maya teman na yatay po na miyang kama yung ngo po na miyang kama
everything feels like it's ruthless.
jasan na nang ma jing ma ato singhayngan ngo yapoy jasan na hunhay kam ngo yapoy teman ma jing may teman mo honglay mong may bukan po yan nang po na miyang kama ato saya cadang ja po na miyang nang
Outside, if someone speaks, we do not care.
outside alaw katala na teman de ibo ato teman jing na pong yung miyang
But we care the most whom we love.
yang boy temana nang anyai kan bu temana anyai kan bu kata ada temana yong either easy teinang either yong care na meng nang
But I want to tell you,
yang boy tawa naman de ibu kwa
reconcile,
tau kai cha na meng tau
ask forgiveness to each other.
yang chai cha da forgiveness hada meng chai bun tau
What you have done mistake, what he have done mistake. Sit and discuss.
yang hangi nang si sama pau yang ki nang si sama hangi pau yang ki hada akan jama so janga chai cha da meng tai bana chai cha da mong da tai ong na tam tau
See, the blessing of the Lord is coming over your life.
hada kaya nang yanda atau muheman bu pelak ngunang
The blessing of the Lord is coming in your life.
atau kaya kawang mabu muheman ya oklak ngunang
Because when two become in one mind and pray,
Angjangyang ne si bunu meng ma ba kata nin hoi mungjang jana chu dai jana chemyang yopya bai hada kan de ma kawang bu muheman bu taunang
their peace and the joy of the Lord abides.
ima bu chungmai mongmai yang second bu hada pai tanna
Automatically, all the blessings will open for your life.
mam hada kaya hangin na chia bu bong na meng bu se muheman bu wangtang muheman bu epatam
Your blessings is in your hand.
nang muheman nang yak mengonang
How?
hangge
Be one mind.
atau nang itu dai jana meng yang yobun meng ma
Pray.
yop to
Take out your hurts.
nang mongjang se ngai yop to
Believe in the Lord.
yang kawang da ateng lak to
Come in unity
yang unity jana meng yang hado ki pe do
and see the blessings of
yang hado kai nang iyang mabu muheman nang kawang mabu
God. Restore your heart. That's my prayer.
tao kai tawa nang naman jing na kawang nang mongjang paya yo nga meng ngo bu hado kawang lenga ye tam glak sa tao yo patam nang
Running always is not solution.
tao kai tumana hado nang mabu problems nang mabu sangshi bai tumana tai phat bu saha tumana hado ba yan bo hado dipak fe ma hado solution ye chi
Take a deep breath.
yang boy nang yo lu lau he yang kawang si sur pe do
God, I trust you.
yang hado hipang ma oh kawang to nang da ateng hai lak
If you put me in this situation,
nang hado hipang ma ada sunya paya boy
you will redeem me.
yang boy hado hipang mo nang ada yan na tam glak
I will be patient.
yang atawan nan bu ok lakai si
I will never give up,
oh bo taw man eng nang si so da pai bo sa nang kawang si so da pai da
but I will trust you.
yang boy taw hado sai man nan ok po fai taw nang da ateng lak bo nang ma yak tu bo oh bo ma ya ang ba taw nang da ateng lak po fai taw ngo lakai si
May
nang
God
kawang
bless you.
taw kai moy lan da kawang man man po